Cross-examination has resumed in a high-profile murder trial of South African football star Senzo Meyiwa at the Pretoria High Court. The state continues questioning the first accused, Muzi Sibia, over inconsistencies in his testimony. 5 men are on trial for the 2014 killing of the Bafana goalkeeper who was shot dead in Vusloorus, east of Johannesburg. The state's key witnesses, Constable Sizwe Zungu, earlier testified that he saw all 5 accused together in Vusloorus on the day Meyiwa was murdered. Claims the accused men have strongly denied. Now, to discuss this further is Elton Hart, who's a lawyer at the Johannesburg Law Clinic. Thank you so much, Mr. Hart, for joining. What stands out for you in today's cross-examination of the first accused?
Now, when one looks at the cross-examination, you see that it's lengthy and the state is trying to prove that there's inconsistencies between the versions that was put to state witnesses and what the witness is actually testifying to what actually transpired according to him. And the state is trying to sort of have discredit him and his evidence in saying that he's not a credible person. And the state has done extensive work on this to try and discredit the witness, but I could also see that the witness stick to his guns to say that I said this under my examination when we dealt with the trial within the trial, and I'm saying it again. So he stood to his thing, and obviously the state wanted to prove now that between what his lawyer, his legal representative put to the witnesses and what he's saying, two different things and should be rejected. And that was more or less the tone of the day when we look at what happened in court for the duration of the day.
Now, Mr. Hart, tell me, how crucial is Constable Zungu's testimony to the prosecution's case?
No, I think Constable Zungu's testimony is crucial because he's the only one, because remember the state's case is built on circumstantial evidence. They don't really have these guys out and out to say that they were at the crime scene. There is some circumstantial evidence, and Zungu saying that he saw them at Vusloorus on the night of 26 October 2014, he saw them there. He sort of have time to say that these 5 persons at that time, they were in this area. So it becomes crucial to the state's case to try and link them being in Vusloorus to what actually happened to Senzo Meyiwa. So Zungu's evidence, and I think they would want to make sure that they convince the court that Zungu's evidence is evidence that should be relied on and is reliable. And the defense is trying to say, but Zungu's evidence should not be relied on, and they don't even know the Zungu fella as he claimed that he knew them.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Elton Hart, for having this conversation with us.